Question number 1. Do people nowadays enjoy drinking tea or coffee? Certainly, nowadays, tea and coffee are widely enjoyed beverages among people of all ages, with a variety of flavors and options available. They cater to diverse tastes and preferences, making them popular choices for many individuals seeking a refreshing or energizing drink. Let's move on to question number 2. When you have guests, do you offer them tea or coffee? When hosting guests, I like to offer them a warm welcome with a choice of tea or coffee. It allows me to accommodate their preferences and ensure they feel comfortable and at home during their visit. Additionally, serving tea or coffee often initiates pleasant conversations and adds to the hospitality of the gathering. Let's talk about question number 3. When did you last have a cup of coffee? The rich aroma and comforting warmth of freshly brewed cup of coffee greeted me this morning during my breakfast. It's a delightful ritual that kickstarts my day with a burst of energy and sets a positive tone for the hours ahead. Let's move to question number 4. Do you typically purchase your coffee from a coffee shop? While the ambience of a coffee shop can be appealing, I usually prefer the convenience and cost effectiveness of making my coffee at home. By preparing it myself, I can customize the flavor and strength to suit my liking, ensuring a satisfying cup every time. Plus, it's a relaxing way to start the day without the need to venture out. Thanks for watching.